By the way, Janica, thank you for your support of your advice and the construction. Flying here in Japan is really hassle.
No worries, it's great experience being here in your country. Start to help me a lot during the I should call the landscape artist.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Uy, Mark, yung anak ni Mario Beth. Sino, kailan ka pa bumalik na Pilipinas?
Alan, siya pa po. Oh, Alvin! How are you?
Okay lang.
Auntie, this is Janica, my friend. Janica, this is Nativina and her daughter, Alvira.
これは彼の父か母の妹か
Ay, ano ba naman tong batang ito? Hindi marunong gumalang sa matanda.
You know, Janica, hearing of leadership in our country, showing of respect is not about it. Instead of bowing, it's manako, like this. You know,
Ha? Talaga? Nag-wish siya sa akin. Ano akala niya sa akin? Matanda ako.
Oh, andyan na yung sundo ko. Magkikita pa kasi kami ng kamari ko. Ano, anak, iwan na kita dyan, ha?
Ay, tulungan na po.
Ay,
Hello? Mag-meet up tayo.
Saan?
Sige, mamaya na. Anong oras?
Where's this lunch?
oh, Janica, what's happened? Why the long pay?
Your friend Alvira is so rude.
Why? I'm sorry earlier, Yanika. I mean there. The CR. But anyway, I have to go. Sayonara.
Thank you. Wow, so he can speak Japanese?
Not really, but we Filipinos are multilingual. We know a lot of languages. Miss Janica, what time did you tell Miss Lizzie?
I told her that kagad sa today.
But it's already 2:30 p.m.
Sila po ni Engineer Mark and Cristiano naman sumako.
Do you know what time is it, Miss Lele? Di mo ba alam kung gaano kalaga ang oras sa kultura ng mga Hapon? Katulad ni Janica, Filipino time is a big no for them.
I'm so sorry. Anyway, I'm here, so let's start.
Okay.
Wow, ano to? Nagtitake ba sila?
Yes, Lindsay. Yan ito talaga sa Hapon. Kailangan nauuna silang pagsilbihan sa i-serve yung pagkain. Drinks nila kasi na-appreciate nila yung walang malicious.
Okay, then
Okay.
I understand. Sorry.
Okay, alright, everything's good. Alright, the meeting is adjourned. Thank you very much for your cooperation, Miss Yanika.
Thank you.
Miss Lisa, I'm looking forward for your work.
Thank you, Miss Yanika. Get me one handsome Japanese and came back, okay? Just kidding. I'm taking this home. Despite of being in a neighbor country, we still have a lot of influences.
Yes, there's still a lot for us to learn. So that we have this understanding. Okay, let's wrap it up. So we can go home.
Ano, okay na yan?
Wait lang, hindi ko na sasabihin.
Oh my God.